Let me send you information today on. This is a wonderful 4-bed 2.5 bath with studied and just under 3,000 square feet. Freshly painted exterior and situated on the 3rd fairway of Highlands Reserve Golf Course. This is a Huntington model built by Lennar, and when these homes were first sold, this model was distinctive for its soaring ceilings and features staircase. When you enter the lobby, the first thing you notice is the spaciousness and stairs with a mezzanine gallery overlooking the open-plan formal living and dining room that opens into the kitchen, family room. Just off the front door on your left, double doors lead you into a good-sized den which is presently used as an office/sitting room. The formal living and dining area have sliding doors onto the pool deck. The open-plan family room and kitchen/breakfast nook also overlooks the sunny pool deck and is